Good afternoon, all of you. Okay, we are group number 74, and the subject which we select is about sport studies. The topic is all about volleyball, and the subtopic is all about positioning in volleyball. And the specific concept to be taught is all about positioning and the role of each position. The stage when the media will be used in the lesson is during the competence development stage. And the intended outcome is that at the end of the lesson, each student should have an ability to explain and demonstrate effectively the positions in volleyball as well as the role of each player in the position. How to use the media? The media will be used in the following ways. The first media that we had prepared is all about the poster. So I will use the poster as follows. One student, please. Okay, hold it well. Okay, as you see, this is our poster, and it shows the 6 positions that are in volleyball. As you see, there is outside hitter, there is a middle, there is a middle blocker, there is a left back, there is a libero, as well as right back. So you can pass it closer to your fellow so that they can observe effectively. So that is how the position in volleyball. You can go. Another media that I will use is all about the mode which show the volleyball court. Is all about the mode which show the volleyball court. As I said earlier, there is a 6 position in volleyball court, and number 1 always standing in this position, number 2 standing in this position, number 3 standing in this position, number 4 in this, number 5 in this, as well as number 6 in this. Each player have its role. For instance, number 1, the key role of number 1 is to save the ball. Number 2 and number 4, they have the same role, to spike. Number 3 have the role to set the ball to the spikers, I mean to the number 2 as well as to the number 4. But number 5 have the role of defending. Role of defending, meaning to receive the ball from the opponent. But number 6 is the receiver, where the key role is to receive the ball from the opponent. In simple, I can say that we have 2 rows here. We have the back row as well as the front row. The back row, this is the defensive zone, as well as the front row is all about the attacking zone. So you can come close to observe it. You can come close to observe. Okay, as I say, number 1 the saver, number 2 the spiker, number 3 the setter, number 4 the spiker, number 5 the receiver, but also the receiver. This is the defensive zone, but this is the attacking zone. Thank you. You can go. How to adapt the media to the learners with the special needs. So first, to the learners with the low visions, we had used the poster which is large in size, therefore the learner can see and observe well, but also we use the color which are visible and clear to everyone. But also our volleyball court model is also big, so it is easy for the student with low visual to observe well. But to those students with the hearing problems, first we have used these 2 modes. First is volleyball court mode, and the second is the poster which shows the volleyball position. But also under our poster we had used the simple and the short words which can help them to capture the concept effectively. The media and the material which can be used to facilitate the same concept is all about the real object that is the volleyball court. So I will try to put my students in their respective position. Okay, this is the defensive zone and this is the attacking zone. As how I had showed to the mode, this is the number 1, the saver. This is the number 2, the spiker. This is number 3, the setter, and this is number 4, the spiker. This is number 5, the defensive player. This is number 6, the receiver. So that is how positioning is in the volleyball. General, the instructional medias are very essential in teaching and learning process because can simplify the teaching process, making learners understand the ease, but also makes the learning into reality. Thank you.